Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, fuel tank issues in upgraded Mig-29 UPGs to be fixed. The Indian Air Force is facing a critical hurdle with its newly upgraded Mig-29 fighter jets as technical issues have emerged in the retrolifted fuel tanks. These additional dorsal tanks located behind the cockpit are crucial for extending the aircraft's range, but concerns have been raised about their structure, integrity and fuel flow. Next, KSS, that is Kalyani Strategic System, eyes majority stake in Zorya Mashproekt India. Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited, a subsidiary of Bharat Forge, has proposed acquiring a majority stake in Zorya Mashproekt India Private Limited, a domestic company specializing in gas turbine engine technology. This move comes amidst renewed urgency to foster indigenous capabilities in the critical field, fueled by the war in Ukraine, disrupting imports from the company's Ukrainian parent, Zorya Mashproekt. Next, high-speed drone that can cruise at 200 km per hour. Flying Wedge Defense and Aerospace, a Bangalore-based startup, has sparked interest with its development of the Narkyan, a high-speed drone designed for counter-drone operation, boasting an impressive 200 km per hour cruise speed and a devastating 320 km per hour dive attack capability. Narkyan aims to provide a potent solution against enemy drones. Next, Pakistani Spy has been apprehended at CSL, that is Cochin Shipyard Limited. A contract employee at Cochin Shipyard Limited has been apprehended for disseminating sensitive information, including videos and photographs of crucial components of a Navy ship under construction at the shipyard via social media. The individual in question, identified as Srinish Pukodan, 30, hailing from Mallapuram, allegedly used his mobile phone to capture images of the ship in progress and shared details about its maintenance, location and VVIP visits with an individual through a social media account named Angel Payal. This illicit activity reported transpired between March 1st and December 19th. Next, second guided missile destroyer has been deployed in Gulf of Aden. The Indian Navy has deployed a second frontline ship in the Gulf of Aden to augment its anti-piracy mission, following the hijacking of a Malta-flagged cargo vessel by pirates. The Navy now has stealth-guided missile destroyer INS Kochi and INS Kolkata in the region, officials said. The Navy swiftly responded after receiving a call for help from MV Ruin, the Malta-flagged hijacked vessel, on December 14th. Next, procurement of 5th Gen fighters if MRFA fails to take off. India's pursuit of acquiring 114 multi-role fighter aircraft, that is MRFA, has encountered significant hurdles, prompting the Standing Committee on Defense for the year 2022-23 to suggest contingency plans in case of further delays. With the procurement process at an advanced stage, concerns about potential setbacks akin to past projects such as the Light Combat Aircraft or Kaveri engine has advised the government to consider alternative options. Next, Innovative Multipurpose Octocopter has been unveiled. The Indian Army has unveiled a groundbreaking in-house innovation, a multi-purpose octocopter designed to enhance its operational capabilities in challenging high-altitude environments. This versatile drone platform offers a range of functionalities. Next, Homegrown SAMAR system. The Indian Air Force has taken a significant step towards strengthening its air defense capabilities with the induction of surface-to-air missile for assured retaliation, that is SAMAR system. This marks a milestone in the journey towards self-reliance in critical defense technologies. Thank you.